Hi guys, my name is Disha Singh. Welcome to Indus Ranges channel. Today's video is little special for me because it belongs to women and girls of the nation. So coming to the point, I am talking about the one more opportunity in Indian Armed Forces which belongs to girls or women of the nation. The girls who wants to serve to the nation, or the girls who wants to become an officer into Indian Armed Forces can grab this opportunity, which is known as MNS, that is Military Nursing Services. So what is MNS? MNS is Short Service Commission Officer post into Indian Army. So Short Service Commission Officer means the candidate who will get selected after cracking this examination will serve to the nation for a few years, and according to their services and interests, the service can be extendable afterwards. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, which study background or who are eligible for this written examination. So the girls who had done their NEET preparation, or the girls who had done their 10+2, that is 12th examination from physics, chemistry, biology and English background, can sit for this examination. Coming to the age part, the age is 16.5 to 24. So the girls who are coming in between these age criteria can apply for this examination. Now, method of selection. There are 3 stages to become an MNS officer or a Short Service Commission officer. First stage is written test. Now, written test would be of 100 marks and will have only multiple choice questions, that is objective type of questions. It will be for 1.5 hours. You will get only 1.5 hours and you have to complete your written test examination in between that. Second stage is of interview. The candidate who will crack the written examination will get a call for the interview at Delhi. Third and last stage is physical and a medical examination, wherein they will check your physical stability or mental stability, both the thing. So girls, please grab this opportunity now, and if you need any further information, any detail, anything related to this particular examination, please comment down below. Thank you so much.